y'all. We're gonna put the rest of this back together. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can done. Everything else is, running smooth. I need to check on a few things. She's running, she's running. Kind of like I said in the last video, I don't know if y'all remember, but there's a few little kinks I gotta work out. I haven't seen these fans turn on yet, but I mean, to a certain extent, I don't think they would really turn on like that unless the car really got hot, given the fact that it's pretty cold out around this time. I don't think it would be necessary. It seems like cooling is running fine. Yeah, you can hear it. Seems like the coolant's running fine. I want to get some more to fill it up one more time because I think she's still low. No leaks. I fixed that leak that was back here, right there where that metal pipe is at. The clamp wasn't on all the way, so I had to fix that. Because one of the first times I drove it, it was leaking, cooling all over the place. So we fixed that. I'm gonna put the sound tube back on. Bumper over there, I'm gonna put that back on today. And I think I'm gonna put it up in the air one more time. Not completely, just the front, because I want to see if I see any more leaks down there. Because I felt like I saw like a small little oil leak or something. I could be tripping, but I just want to double check and correct it before it become a bigger issue, So we're gonna get to work. All right, y'all. Got the bumper sitting on there. It's not bolted down yet. That's why I still got these gaps and shit. But got it sitting on there. I'm gonna put it in the air to find this little leak. Look like a little oil leak somewhere. So I have to put it up in the air, see what's up. Mainly everything on though. I got this on. There's another little black piece that go here. This goes to my windshield wipers. That's something I'll have to figure out. There's a plate that go there. That's out there. Try to put that there. I think I'm gonna try to take it around the block today again. I really need to put air in these tires. That's why I haven't really been pushing it like that. So maybe I'll try to do that today, if it'll make it, which it should. I don't see a reason why it shouldn't. Because I know that one's like on 15, this one's 19. I think the other one's like 20. Like they're all low. Which makes sense. I mean, it's been sitting for a year. And it's been cold, so I know all that air kind of seeped up out of there. Other than that, though, she'll be okay. Seems to still be running on all 6. Still gotta do some cleaning up. Need to organize all this. I think I'm gonna get a bin for all my spare parts. Like I got a spare starter over there. I got a spare alternator somewhere in here. Spare air AC compressor over there. I mean, I could sell this stuff. We'll see. I'll take pictures, post it up. But if somebody wants to snag this type of stuff, I think the only thing I'm really pressed on really keeping is probably the alternator and the starter. But we'll see. We'll see. Like if somebody gonna give me money for them, then they can go. But if they're gonna just be sitting up, and I'll put them in some good storage. What else we got up in here, man? Intake, okay. Just trying to see what else I got in here. Where that go to? Something I need. Look, got all my carbon stuff in here tore up. Got an extra manifold. Throttle body, I mean. Yeah, let me get these out. But yeah, man. Wanted to come out here and get it together some more. So far, she's been running good, though. You know, no true. I think this go over here. This is the fun part, y'all. Putting all this shit back together. Yeah, here we go. There we go. Putting all this shit back together. And then there's a plate that go right here. That's good. That tells me I ain't lose nothing really. I think the screws that go to that are over here. You know, I'm just trying to button some stuff up. I'm really just trying to clear up some space. Tired of parts being spread out all over the place and stuff, so once we can clear out some space, it'll be easier to move stuff around. But let me put this on, and then I'm gonna put it in the air and get back with you. Alright, as y'all can see, it is running. I know I ain't put a lot of videos of it actually running. She is running. Few little kinks I'm still working out. That's why I haven't really popped out with it yet. But you know, still gotta put that on. Working out a few little kinks. Lately I've just been starting it up. I took it around the block a few times. But you know, lately I've been starting it up, let it get some sunlight like this, and just listen. You know, just listen for anything that's weird, anything that's ticking, looking for any leaks. You know, the other day I had a funny little situation. The belt, well, it wasn't really the belt, it was a tensioner. One of the little pulleys was loose, so it had kind of like came off. Luckily it had landed in a good spot, so I had to go, last week I had to go and redo all that, get it back on there tight. Seem to be working now. I haven't had no issues lately. Cooling's still good. Seems like it's flowing, staying cool. I haven't seen it get hot yet. I know she's low on gas. Got a little bit of gas over there for her, I think. Got my trunk closed again. I had to like disconnect everything because I had to kept going back there to disconnect the battery and all that. So got that connected right. Cleaned it out. Got all them parts and stuff up out of here. Pretty much everything is on the car at this point except from the hood. I think everything else. I put the wipers on today. You know, put the cowl on today. Don't trip on the zip ties. I just did that for now because I got to get some more of them little push pin things. So I'm gonna get a set of those. You know, that will tighten all that up. You know, a few little check engine things. I believe I need O2 sensors. What else? I want to put them brakes on, or the rotors. Probably replace the brakes too when I get to it. Tires are low. They don't really look too low right now, but it seemed like all 4 of them went low. At least that's what the car is saying, so I'm gonna trust that. Trying to think what else. Need to get another filter because that one's pretty dirty in there. I think it's covered in dust and all type of grime and stuff, so I'm gonna replace that. Got to figure out the power steering thing. I'm not sure what's going on with that. I'm not understanding how that could be messed up because the car's been sitting for over a year, almost a year pretty much, so I don't know. I'm not understanding. I think something just got to be reset or something, but we gonna see. I'm gonna have to figure that part out because that keeps beeping at me saying power steering, whatever. I've asked around a little bit. Yeah, so look, tire, that right there, power steering, stable track, hood open of course because it's not there. Yeah, so the steering's tight. I can still turn it, but it's not as smooth as it should be. You know, anyone that has a Camaro, you know how smooth the steering is, how precise it is. So yeah, something going on with that, but we'll get to it. You know, everything else still intact, still working, so we're not tripping. But turn this mess off. Yeah, I just wanted to get with y'all, let y'all know what was going on. Unless you follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know too much of what's going on as of recently, but for all my YouTube people, I just wanted to update y'all and show you that it runs. I want to show you that it drives. I will show you that at a later date, but yeah, it does drive. I've been around the block probably 3 or 4 times with it. I haven't really played with it too much because of the tires low and the whole power steering thing. I'm still kind of iffy about that. But you know, I just been rolling it, man. Just been taking it easy, making sure everything good. I don't want to not mess nothing up, but I just, you know, I'm just trying to be safe for right now. So got the bumper on, got that all stitched up. You know, that's looking good. So, you know, she's cool.